Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super important but often overlooked. Basic car maintenance. Taking care of your car doesn't have to be complicated or expensive, and a little effort now can save you a ton of money and headaches down the road. So, let's get into 15 essential tips to keep your ride running smoothly. First up, check your tire pressure monthly. Properly inflated tires ensure better fuel economy and safer handling. While you're at it, check the tread depth. A simple penny test will do. Next, get familiar with your fluids. Regularly check your engine oil, coolant, and washer fluid levels. Topping them off is easy and crucial for your engine's health. Don't forget about your lights. Walk around your car and make sure all your headlights, taillights, and turn signals are working. A burnt-out bulb is a quick fix that keeps you visible and safe. Tip number 5. Replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months. You'll thank yourself during the first downpour. Moving on, let's talk filters. Your engine and cabin air filters are your car's lungs. Swapping them out is usually a simple DIY job that improves engine performance and the air quality inside your car. Tip 7 is to wash your car regularly. This isn't just about looking good. It protects your paint from dirt and grime that can cause long-term damage. Listen to your brakes. If you hear any squealing or grinding, get them checked immediately. Your safety depends on it. Also, test your battery. Many auto parts stores will test it for free. A weak battery can leave you stranded, especially in extreme weather. Tip 10. Follow your car's recommended service schedule. That owner's manual in your glove box is your best friend. It tells you exactly when to get things like spark plugs and timing belts replaced. Next, inspect your belts and hoses for any cracks or signs of wear. A broken belt can cause major engine problems. Let's talk about driving habits. Avoid aggressive driving, fast starts, and hard stops. Put unnecessary strain on your engine and brakes. Tip 13. Don't ignore your check engine light. It's your car's way of telling you something is wrong. A cheap code reader can help you diagnose the issue. 14th, keep your interior clean. A tidy car is a more enjoyable car to drive, and it helps maintain its resale value. And finally, my 15th tip. Create a small emergency kit for your trunk. Include jumper cables, a flashlight, and a first aid kit. It's always better to be prepared. And that's a wrap. 15 simple tips to keep your car in top shape. Doing these small things can make a huge difference. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more car care advice. Drive safe, and see you in the next one.